Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on this wig from SHEIN. It is a 6x4 glueless yaki straight wig, 180% density and 28 inches. Specific link will be in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. You guys, I am so obsessed with this wig. It is so gorgeous and it's so long. This is how it came straight out of the pack. All I did was I kind of trimmed the lace just a little bit because it was like a little bit too much, and then I added some mousse, some of the lace tint mousse on it, but that was just like on top, not even underneath. But look at this, you guys. This literally looks like my hair. It's crazy, and it is so soft. I didn't even have to do anything to it yet. The texture is gorgeous. It is really like my hair straightened if I had this kind of length. It's super full, but it's still light. Look at that, all the way to the ends. Hello? I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it, and I'll probably have to insert that video here because I have to do a video for TikTok as well. So I'm still trying to figure out how to do both at the same time, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in this video. Hey guys, I'm back. So I just showed you the video on how I kind of got these little like bangs in, how I add just a few layers in the front so that if I want to put my hair back, I have like a nice little look there. And yeah, I got so excited with how this wig was looking and making videos for TikTok that I almost forgot to come back to you guys. But anyway, this is how it looks. I mean, you can add baby hairs, but I decided not to because I know I was just gonna go with like some layers anyway. This wig is not going to be the kind that will give you like bone straight, at least not with the iron that I have. I had it at 392 and I kind of started off in small sections, but then I saw that it wasn't really doing much, but that's fine. Like honestly, if I wanted bone straight hair, I would have just gotten bone straight hair, so I think it's fine. So soft, you guys. It is so soft, like it's crazy. Go ahead and get into the pros and the cons. So the pros, it is definitely length, like the length is legit, and all the way to the tips it is 28 inches, that's for sure. The adjustable band is very comfortable. The entire wig is very comfortable actually. It's not too tight, but it's just tight enough so that it can be glueless, so you don't have to glue it down. That's another pro. This lace, that is awesome. Okay, I think he's done. The lace is immaculate. It does hold a curl, as you can see. I still use like some hairspray, but I do love the way it kind of stayed in that curl that I set up here on the top with my flat iron. The color is very nice. If you look closely, you do see some weird like colored fibers in there, which you often get with human hair wig. I'm not too bothered by that. I don't know if people are like that, but I don't really care. And then when I was flat ironing it, I did see some gray hairs or like silver hairs in the back, but it didn't really bother me that much. It's like real hair has that too, you know, like hair that comes out of your scalp. If you don't have silver hair, how is it like not being stressed out so that you don't have silver hair yet? In the package you get the wig caps, but they did send me a nice little like wig kit, so you can download that as well. So you can buy it as well, and it comes with their bolt hold glue, as well as the combs and everything you need to just lay it down. But if it's a glueless wig, I feel like that defeats the whole purpose of it. So cons, I think this is gonna be my first like conless wig. It is awesome, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's affordable, it's light. Like, even though it is so full, as you guys can clearly see, not even 250% or 200%, it's 180%. So for it to be this full and at that density, that is wonderful. And all the way to the end as well, because I hate when they're like, oh yeah, it's super full and the ends are thin. Like if you saw the last SHEIN wig I did, the ends were kind of thin and that kind of bugged me, but it was longer than what was listed. So by the time you trim it, you do get the inches that you paid for. I'm looking forward to see how it lasts. I didn't get any tangling, no shedding before I trimmed the sides. Of course afterwards I did get some shedding, but that's not because of the wig, it's because of me just like trimming it. But before I didn't get any. And look at that. That is so gorgeous. I was kind of nervous because I'm like, oh, a kinky straight wig with summer coming up, isn't that gonna be too hot? But this is actually really light, and I look forward to putting it in some nice like updo styles as well, just kind of like pulling some hair down and then doing it like that. I think that concludes this video, guys. I give this wig a 10 out of 10 for sure. It is so gorgeous, so beautiful, and definitely worth the money. It looks like my real hair. Only thing is, like I said, you won't get bone straight with this one, but if that depends on you and what you want from a wig. I personally don't want that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I was able to help in some way. Links will be in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please, and sign up for notifications. And yeah, just help my channel grow. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me and watching all the way till the end, and watching my other videos as well. And yeah, I'll be back with some synthetic wigs very soon. Thank you. Bye. Not he choked.